Hi everyone, I'm Anne, founder and CEO of Glamnetic, and I'm so excited to introduce to you guys the Glamnetic Lash Extension Kits. Glamnetic was founded around the idea of helping people feel and look their best while saving time, money, and effort. And Glamnetic Lash Extension Kits do just that. We've taken your favorite magnetic lash styles and turned them into 3 easy-to-apply lash extension clusters. We've designed these lashes with fewer segments for a faster, foolproof application with salon-quality results. Each kit comes with all the tools you need to get a seamless lifted look that lasts up to 5 days in as little as 5 minutes. Each lash extension kit comes with 2 best-selling lash styles: a stronghold bond and seal, a lash grab, and a gentle bond remover. Simply bond, lash, and seal. As a bonus, we've added our lash nourishing bond remover that gently removes your lash extensions without the damage of your natural lashes. These lashes give you the flexibility to sleep, sweat, and swim, all while looking absolutely lifted. So get ready to say, I woke up like this, because Glamnetic lash extensions are your lashes, but better.